name's Johnny Fitzgerald. I'm a project manager with Pro West Roofing. We're at the Steve Newcomer home. We are going to attempt to do a repair that was recommended by State Farm today. This is a wind damaged shingle here. We are going to attempt to remove this shingle from the roofing surface and install it back as if we were to do the repair that they are requesting to be done. Based off of just looking at these shingles, everything around it is going to disintegrate and fall apart, and it's going to cause extensive damage, and we're going to show you that in this video. So first, we need to make sure the seals on these shingles are going to be loose from the ones below it and the shingles above it, which with these shingles is not an issue. Now we need to remove the fasteners that hold these shingles into place. And there's going to be fasteners here and then fasteners here for the above shingle that is going to catch the top 1 inch of this shingle. So we're going to have to remove both sets of fasteners to remove this shingle. As you'll see, the bottom row of fasteners have been pulled out and the shingle will not separate. So we need to get in underneath the next row. And as this shingle comes out, you're going to see the delamination from just removing this shingle. It's going to kind of show you what's going to happen to the other shingles as I try and put a new shingle back into place. Now, to install the shingle, we have to install 5 nails into the nailer board of this shingle and then reattach the fasteners to the above shingles. So that's going to require us to use these manufacturer spec nails, 5 on this shingle here. Now, you'll see down here, a section of this shingle has ripped off and is stuck up underneath there in the fastener of the above row. Like I was saying, you'll see the nails here from the upper row. And you can see that it separated the above shingle from its fasteners as well. I'm trying not to lift up on it too hard to pull multiple rows out. Now that this shingle is back in alignment, you'll see before I've even tried to lift this shingle to repair this one and get the fasteners back into it, there's delamination of this shingle already coming apart from itself and apart from the seals to the shingle above it. So that shingle is obviously damaged beyond repair and is going to have to be repaired. I'm going to continue this video just to finish it. All right, as you can see, this shingle has completely separated itself from left to right, and this one has now come out of its fastener here just from separating this one. So just to fix this one shingle, we are now going to have to fix this one and this one, and that's going to cause us to have to fix this one. It's going to make a complete triangle all the way up to the ridge for every single one of these wind damaged shingles, and not including anything around it that is just going to fall apart during those repairs. There's absolutely no way to repair this roof without causing more extensive damage that is going to cause more problems down the road. this is definitely a fail. Thank you.